Hey guys, this is my locker tour. Let's go. Let's go inside. So this is my locker. This is what she looks like. And I'm just gonna go through step by step of what's in it. And yeah, on this wall I have a bunch of my disposable camera photos. Yeah, there's like a bunch, all from different months, periods, and all that. So I'll let you guys see what's on there. Then on the inside, up here I have my keys. There's two hooks, one on this side and then one on the opposite side. So I'm just gonna put my keys in here. If we go closer, I'll show you guys what's on the top shelf. My Polaroid camera, which is not working right now because I need to change the batteries, but look at how cute it is. I'm obsessed with the strap. And then I have a refill pack of film because I'm probably gonna run out very fast. Then I have my two little snack boxes, and I got these little bins from Target. They were like super cheap, and I decorated them. They look kind of really bad, but I used Sharpie and just wrote things like senior 2022, all that stuff. And so I'll show you guys what's in each one because these snacks are great for back to school. Okay, so the snacks I have in here, these are good recommendations if you don't know what to get during the school year, because sometimes that can be really hard. The Quaker chocolate chip chewy bars are probably my all-time favorite. I've had these since I was in like elementary school and I'm still obsessed with them. Then I have these really good fruit strips. It's almost, what are those called? Fruit roll-ups? It's like a fruit roll-up, but like thicker and way better. And I got these from Target. This one is wild berry and this one is pomegranate. I don't really like fig, but I got this whenever I was shooting for Dick's Sporting Goods. They had this leftover, so I just took it, but it's a fig bar, so we'll see. Maybe it'll be good. So that's what I have in here. Then in this one, these snacks are so good. I've got 4 of these ones and then 4 of these ones. And basically, these are from the brand Made Good, and they're little granola mini bites. So this one's chocolate chip, and then this one is mixed berry. And they're super healthy. You can get them from Target, CVS, literally anywhere. So the bottom part of my locker, I'm sure I'm gonna have way more books and stuff throughout the year, but this is what I have as of now. Starting from left to right, I have all of my spiral notebooks. I don't know what the subjects are gonna be for these yet because I start school in 3 days, but yeah, I've got 6 of these. Then I have my textbook. This is, what in the world is this? Is this what you did for FST?
That's your book for math book, textbook.
Even for FST?
That's for FST, yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is my textbook for FST, Functions, Statistics, and Trig. I'm kind of nervous to take that this year, but Lexi said it wasn't too bad. Okay. Then we have another math textbook. This one looks a little beat up, but it's from the school. Then I've got my astronomy book. This is brand new and it's super duper thick, but I'm very excited to take this class this year. Then I've got my big old binder and I decorated the front off of Canva. And so I'm gonna put like sticky notes of what I need to do every single day. And then I have my favorite Bible verse on the bottom, which is Ephesians 4:2. So inside I've got my schedule, first thing printed out, and then all of my subjects on here. Also, something that I recommend doing is getting like sheet protectors for your papers. That way you don't have to hole punch them and you can just slip them in there, and then if you get water on them, you don't have to worry about it. Last 2 things over here, I've got my pencil bag and it says, sing your song, dream your dream, hope your hope, pray your pray. It's from the brand Sugar Boo & Co. And I'll show you guys what's inside. We've got a lot going on in here. Okay, so I've got 2 sticky notepads, a bunch of these highlighters, which I got from Target. They're so good. My pastel mechanical pencils, scissors, and then pens, obviously. All right, and last but not least, I have my journal, which I'm pretty sure we're gonna be using for leadership class. So I just got this black moleskin journal, and this is my favorite brand. But yeah, it's just empty right now. And that is it for my locker tour. As you can tell, I'm like very scared to film right now because I don't want to get in trouble. But anyways, I got this big old tripod here in the hallway anyway. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao.
I'm done with all these fake friends. I don't have time to